susunod na mga eksena. Lalo na when you look at the movies of 2023. Maraming nag-rewind to as far as the 1800s.
So we begin the segment with the awards for the best editors of the year. Here are the outstanding indie movie editors.
For Indie Movie Editor of the Year, Isabel Denota, Apag. Vanessa Ubas de Leon, In His Mother's Eyes. Janelle Gutierrez, Ang Duyan ng Magiting. Gilbert Obispo, Litrato. Zilla of Lona and Mark Viola, Tierra. Benjamin Tolentino, Itimapukpukaw. And Noah Tonga, Monday First Screening. And the star goes to Gilbert Obispo for Litrato.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Timmy Basing.